Hi, I'm Irina Vi of Poor Girl's Kitchen. Exciting times. We have been working on something for quite some time, Peter and myself. Here it is! It's a book! It's a book. I think it is so cute. It's got all of our recipes of the cookies that we have sold in the past. A few new ones. There's Cinnadoodles. Oh, here we go. The cult favorite, the Glorio. This is my favorite, the Au Naturels. It's like a lemon shortbread sandwich cookie. Freddie's favorite, the chocolate crackles, because he really likes chocolate. It uses a double boiler, but he knows how to do it. This is very child-friendly, this book, I think. Here's Uncle Rich's favorite, the Lemon Dreams. Those are really, really pretty. Here it is. You can purchase it from LULU.com. Look for the name, obviously, Poor Girl's Kitchen. I could also send you a link. I'll put that on our Facebook page and our YouTube channel and Instagram. So you can buy it off of LULU.com. They are going to charge $15.99 plus shipping. However, you can buy it from us directly for a tenner, which will include shipping. If you're in America, I don't know how much the shipping will be. It might be slightly more. I'll think about that. Whatever platform you like to do. Phone, if you got my phone number, you can send me a text. And it is great. It's got illustrations by Peter, who is quite talented in this art. I am not. Just see what my art looks like. Photos by Steve Haig, Luke Waddington, and Chris Bishop, and myself. I think my photos are pretty good, but they're still not professional. So we've all worked very hard on this. I've had a lot of help, which I'm very grateful for. And it's really, really cute. You can follow along in the book. It's like a manual, see? Manual tutorial by just an ordinary person. If I can do it, you can. This is so cute. It's a start. And look for us. There you go. Can I go stress eat now? We're going to get serious and slightly professional.